Hello, Namaste to all. I Sangeeta Patel welcome you all to Om Divine Healing channel, and today I am going to talk about truth and honesty. Yes, today's topic is truth and honesty. When you walk a life of honesty, you live a life of truth. The most free person on the earth is the person who do not has to hide anything. World is a place of varieties of people who live a life in their own mode of style. Some are so innocent that they speak out fact of their own life and the fact they see in their lives. They always say, believe what your heart says and not what others says. Truth can be seen in Lord Buddha's these words. What is difference between I like you and I love you? Can you tell what is the difference between when we say I like you and when we say I love you? Beautifully answered by Lord Buddha is when you like a flower, you pluck the flower. But when you love the flower, you water the flower, you take care of the flower and you do not pluck that flower. Yes, because you love the flower. That's the difference between what I like and what I love. Truth and the honesty are the two sides of the same coin. If one is honest, that means he or she will speak the true words from their soul. True beliefs portray the world as it is. False beliefs portray the world as other than it is. Telling the truth is just as the use of the language. Telling the truth is complicated by the fact that we live in a hybrid world, partly natural world. Truth is metaphysical and philosophy of the language, the property of sentence, assertions, that are said in ordinary discourse, to agree with the facts or to say what is the cause. Being honest means not telling lies. Being truthful means actively making known all the full truth of the matter. Lawyer must be honest, but they do not have to be truthful. Honesty and ethics are two most important leadership traits in the hustle and bustle of today's business environment. When speed is required to make a decision, it is very easy to forget honesty and ethics. But effective leaders are generally viewed as honest by employees. They keep everyone abreast about what is going on within the organization, whether it is good or bad. So with the honest thought process, they speak the truth statement to their employees. Another most important outcome of honesty is it builds up trust, one of the most critical elements of the leadership activities. The topic is very philosophical to select it for my video, but very essential for the modern world. I respect all the people with the right intention and who always speak truth. Have honesty to lead you the way of truth. I hope you guys like this video, and yes, we all must be honest. I myself believe a lot into honesty and truth, and I am walking on the right path. I am being known as an honest and truth among my clients, and of course within my family also. I always believe into truth and honesty. And of course nowadays people say that what one get walking on the truth path or being so honest, because down the road there are so many people who are there taking your advantage. And I believe that's true. But being honest, we also do not have to forget that down the road we also find the truth and honest people, right? It happens with me also, being a human being, right? Because I am being honest and I am being truth, and I believe into honesty and truth. And so people comes and take my advantage. So what? Did I change? No, I haven't changed. I never give up on truth and I give up on honesty. And down the road I have met so many wonderful people, and because of that only I am able to make these YouTube videos. Nowadays people always says that what one get being so honest and truth. I know it is very hard and difficult when you are being honest and when you always believe in the truth, and people around you, they do not, and they always take your advantage. But we have to be honest and truth, and we have to believe into ourselves, because down the road, no matter how many difficulties or how many challenges come, because you are truth and honest, one day you will get the result of being honest and truth. Yes, I'm always being known as the truth and honest among my clients and among all my family. Down the road, people have taken my advantage. They are, but still, I am being honest and truth. Just because of someone else, I am not going to lose my honesty and truth. I am not going to change the thing in which I believe into, which is truth and honesty. And because of that, I have met so many wonderful people in my life, and they are really nice. They are also like me, who believes in the truth and honesty. And one thing I would like to let you know, that because I'm being very honest and I always believe in the truth and I always say truth, because I met someone who really believed into me, my work, and of course that person has helped me to start my YouTube channel. And it happens, right? I will be making one video about how I started my YouTube channel. Yes, so I will just tell you, all of you, that do not leave your honesty and truth. Believe into yourself and walk the path of truth and honesty, and you will see that, of course, even though there are negative people around you, but because of your honesty and because of your truth, you can achieve whatever you want, right? I hope you guys like this video. Thank you for coming and watching this video. I wanted to say thanks to all my subscribers for subscribing my channel. Thank you guys. I also wanted to say thanks to all the people who are inspiring to make these wonderful videos and who are helping me to make this video. Thank you, all of you. So for all my services, you guys can reach out me through my email ID, and people who are connected with me on social media, you can contact me through WhatsApp, Skype, Instagram, Facebook, or Messenger, and definitely I would love to help you guys and work with you guys. So till I see you next time, I Sangeeta Patel. Take care, leave. Stars of love, light and angel blessings. Namaste.